Let me repeat another news that came into my circle. Akwa Okuko is in a big mess. The shocking discovery they discovered at Akwa Okuko's place when those humble investigators went there, it is quite alarming. Akwa Okuko is in a big mess. Now they started auditing Akwa Okuko. Like I stated it before, Governor Sharugo, Akwa Okuko should be investigated. We need to find out how he built those hotels without doing anything. What is his source of income? What do he do? What is his qualification? Where did he work? We want to see how he pays his tax. We want to see the work that he does that made him earn such money in this Nigerian regime. And use it to torment youth, use it to deceive youth. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki, the only woman you will go, you will make money. Go to Akwa Okuko. Governor Sarugo, please do not spare these accessories. Do not spare them. They are the reason. They contributed 60% of what is going on now. Because if DBS are doing what they're doing, if they're not having customers, nobody will come and patronize them. They will quit and look for better thing to do. JPAC, Waga Waga G, and Okungu Dibia, all of them and others that I don't know their names, should be questioned, should be arrested. They have contributed, especially JPAC, they have contributed quite a horrific contribution in this cycle of patronizing in the Dibia. Please, Governor Sorudo, Logi, Lochapia. Akwa Okuko is in a big mess. For those of you that are listening to me now, this information should be shared, pass across, tell it to your people. You will come back and say, okay, when I started this campaign, 2020, 2021, 2022, nobody knew that the manifestation will come to reality today. I warned you guys. Let me tell all of you, fight me, you become a victim. I fight you, you become a victim. Believe it or not. Ibu you become a victim. You must surely lose. It's just a matter of time. Everything in Barunu this blue app will surely come to an end. Whether you like it or not. But wherever Angbaragi, you may not like me the way I say it. You may say, Ogechi Okeke it's not the bone of contention here. The factor of the whole thing I'm telling you will come to reality. Akwa Okuko is in a fucking big mess. Akwa Okuko, if Akwa Okuko did not spend years in jail, he will not spend anything less than 6 years. Go and mark my words. I told you guys about Chupuka. I told you guys till today, how markets. How markets. I will always give you accurate information. It doesn't matter how you digest it. It doesn't matter how you observe it. It does not matter whether you believe it or not. What they discovered in Akwa Okuko premises, in Akwa Okuko residence, in Akwa Okuko luxury place is quite shocking. Now, they are about to audit Akwa Okuko finances for the past 10 good years. Family audit and the Pakasala. As I'm talking to you now, they have confiscated. They have put a link. They have put a band on Akwa Okuko's account. As I'm talking to you now, Akuchuga account to Akwa Okuko. And the investigation thoroughly has finally started. All of you guys, it's quite unfortunate that Onyeze Jesus is in this mess. It's quite unfortunate that Onyeze Jesus is kidnapped for the past few months. Problem again. I hope they will not find something indicating in his own case, because as things I am hearing, it will go through. And please, Governor Sorudo, there is another person you should look into. Matthias Ezako. Matthias Ezako should be looked into thoroughly. Matthias Ezako should be looked into thoroughly. Matthias Ezako should be arrested. Anyway, that will be another video. Let me just stop this here. Akwa Okuko is in a big mess. Akwa Okuko is in a thorough mess. There is nothing like putting in prayer. Let the justice system take its course. Let the justice system take its course, because it's about to go down. Governor Sorudo, onye gachi anyị, Governor Sorudo, Sorudo, onye gachi anyị, Governor Sorudo, Sorudo, onye gachi anyị, Governor Sorudo, Sorudo, onye gachi anyị, Governor Sorudo.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please stay connected on this channel by subscribing on this channel and like this video, share. Thank you for watching. God bless you.